Whoosh. Steamy the day, boys. Well folks, a little bit of an update with us here at GRASSMEN. It's the 12th of July, the sun's shining, and we're having our own fun here in the fields. Our 230, New Holland 230 has been lent to Armstrongs. Armstrongs are doing a big demonstration day this Saturday, and I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to go along to it. They have a CX870 25-foot head combine there. They have a 5080, and they also have a combine from 1977 cutting to celebrate 40 years of them selling combines. They've all the range of Kvernel and stuff, and all the night sprayers and all the New Hollands you could ever dream of, and our 230s there joining in, and we'll be down at it as well. The 7810 John Deere, which would be the other tractor that we would run to if we'd something to do, is out on demonstration with the Pro Dig buck rake. So this little job come in to do a few bales, and we didn't want to give up the opportunity because we've a little bit of wrap left over, and some farmers very kindly letting us do their bit of baling, which we are just charging for, and then throwing it into the charity as well. So that's why it's great to have a couple of old girls parked in the shade. Pulled out the old 3650, hasn't been doing a big lot, fired it onto the wee Lely rake, no problem. And the beauty about the Krone baler here, the Comprima, the 155, is, as you can see, the 1455's on her. She's snoring away nicely there. But the key to that baler is it has its own onboard hydraulics, which means the old girl, it's no problem to her whatsoever to drive it. Some of the balers we had in the challenge that we did, the 32 county challenge, we're not going to get into it at this stage because that's for later in the year when we release that footage. But one baler in particular required an oil flow of 120 litres. It's just not possible out of these old school tractors. So there's a baler there that if you're a good tractor that you use in it all year, lay down, whip out the old case, whip out any tractor. I'd be pretty confident the 3650 could even handle that baler. It's not as big as you think. When you get into the guts of it and you take the big panels open and open up the sides, it's not that big a baler. Other news, well, the blog page was down for a long time there, and we've it completely updated, and so we're going to start that off again, and keep your eyes peeled for, I've been asked a lot about why we're doing so much for charity and stuff, and I didn't really think a vlog like this here was the right way to go about explaining that. So log on to the website and go onto the blog page to get a wee blog about why the GRASSMEN team takes so much pride and puts so much effort into doing the charity work. And really and truly, just keep watching this space. We've lots of videoing to do. I'd love to keep chatting, but there's another 15 or 16 acres to rattle in here today, and I need to get going here. So I'll tell you one thing all the same, you do miss your modern comforts with no lack of air conditioning. It's not a good job.